Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 8 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. What is the latest technological milestone achieved by Chidambarnar Port Authority? Chidambarnar Port Authority has become the first port in India to launch the Digital Twin Initiative for Port Management. This initiative was inaugurated by the Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal. The Digital Twin Initiative uses light detection and ranging, LiDAR, and Internet of Things sensors to create accurate 3D maps of physical environments and enable real-time monitoring and control of physical objects and systems. This topic is relevant for the Science and Technology section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to technological advancements in port management and maritime industry. Key takeaways: Chidambarnar Port Authority is the first port in India to launch Digital Twin Initiative. Digital Twin uses LiDAR and IoT sensors, real-time monitoring and control of physical objects and systems. What is the significance of the National Geospatial Policy 2022? The National Geospatial Policy 2022 has democratized access to geospatial data and liberalized the sector. It has encouraged innovation and private participation in the geospatial sector. The policy has been hailed as a landmark reform by the Union Minister of State for Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh. It has enabled the growth of the geospatial sector and its applications in various fields. This topic is relevant for the Science and Technology section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to geospatial policy and its implications. Key takeaways: National Geospatial Policy 2022 democratizes access to geospatial data, liberalizes the geospatial sector, encourages innovation and private participation. What is the significance of the International Solar Alliance? The International Solar Alliance is a global coalition of over 120 countries committed to advancing sustainable development through solar energy. It has been instrumental in promoting solar deployment and providing clean energy access to communities. The alliance was founded by India and France with the vision of placing the power of the sun at the center of global development. It has grown into a global movement with a significant impact on the global energy transition. This topic is relevant for the International Relations section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to global initiatives and sustainable development. Key takeaways: International Solar Alliance is a global coalition of over 120 countries. Promotes solar deployment and clean energy access. Founded by India and France. What is the significance of the CE-20 cryogenic engine? The CE-20 cryogenic engine is a critical component of India's heavy-lift rocket, the LVM-3 launch vehicle. It has been successfully tested by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, and has demonstrated higher thrust capability. The engine is powered by liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen and has been human-rated for India's upcoming Gaganyaan mission. It is a significant milestone in India's space program and will enhance the country's capabilities in space exploration. This topic is relevant for the Science and Technology section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to space technology and cryogenic engines. Key takeaways: CE-20 cryogenic engine is a critical component of LVM-3 launch vehicle. Successfully tested by ISRO. Demonstrated higher thrust capability. What is the significance of the Defence Forces Vision 2047? The Defence Forces Vision 2047 is a comprehensive blueprint for transforming the Defence Forces into a modern, integrated, and technologically advanced military. It outlines strategic reforms, capability enhancements, and organizational changes required to address the evolving geostrategic, technological, and security environment. The vision document emphasizes the importance of jointness and synergy among the services, promoting greater coordination in planning, operations, and capability development. It also highlights the need for innovation, advanced technologies, and modern training frameworks to build a force that is adaptable to future warfare challenges. This topic is relevant for the security and defense section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to defense policy and military modernization. Key takeaways: Defense Forces Vision 2047 is a comprehensive blueprint for transforming the defense forces. Emphasizes jointness and synergy among services. Highlights the need for innovation and advanced technologies. Why is Lebanon in the news? Lebanon is in the news because India has joined 29 countries to demand protection for peacekeepers in the country. Lebanon is a country located in the Middle East, bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It has a diverse geography, with mountains, valleys, and a coastline. This topic is relevant for the general awareness section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to current events and international relations. Key takeaways: Lebanon is in the news due to demands for protection for peacekeepers. India has joined 29 countries in this demand. Lebanon is a country located in the Middle East. What is the significance of the US opening new unfair trade probes? The US has opened new unfair trade probes to rebuild tariff pressure against India, China, and the EU. This move is aimed at investigating excess industrial capacity and forced labor in these countries. The US Trade Representative has initiated two new trade investigations, one into excess industrial capacity and the other into forced labor. This move is seen as a significant development in the ongoing trade tensions between the US and its major trading partners. This topic is relevant for the general awareness section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to international trade and economic relations. Key takeaways: US opens new unfair trade probes against India, China, and EU. Aims to investigate excess industrial capacity and forced labor. Significant development in ongoing trade tensions. What are the challenges in preparing India for a true innovation-led economy? Despite government ambitions and funding commitments, India still underperforms in research and development intensity, global technological influence, and research-to-market translation. The country needs deeper systemic change, particularly from the industry, to drive innovation. The government has announced several initiatives, including the 1 lakh crore rupees Research, Development, and Innovation Fund and investments in digital infrastructure. However, the real test will be how industry responds to these initiatives and invests in innovation. This topic is relevant for the economy section of competitive exams, specifically for questions related to innovation and economic development. Key takeaways: India underperforms in research and development intensity and global technological influence. Needs deeper systemic change, particularly from industry. Government initiatives include 1 lakh crore rupees Research, Development, and Innovation Fund. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.